Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holder? What's next? And Zilliqa is moving up in upcoming days or fails down. Zilliqa, what's my opinion about Zilliqa? This is holding time, selling time, or buying time. And what's the target of Zilliqa? Absolutely, my friend. Very important question from my holder. So therefore, I want to answering you and this question, my friend. First of all, if you can see here, my friend, I request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel. Please press the bell icon also for latest news and updates. Click the red button. Thank you so much for subscription, my brother. As you can see here, my friends, the change occur and minus 0.47% change occur. You can see here, and this is very negative, my friend. In the last 1 hour, you can see here, and after, my friend, you can see here they take a very high jump, then they fails down completely, my friend. You can see here they fails down completely. So this is the reality, my friends. So after a jump, they urgently fails down, my friend. This is the reality, and this is method of moving of all cryptocurrencies, my friend. So this time you can see here the latest price is 0.14 US dollar, my friend. You can see here also this is time the latest price. And my friend, if we check out the last 7 days chart, then we decide they are going up in upcoming days or they fails down, my friend. What's the prediction of Zilliqa? So my friend, Zilliqa in the first 7 days exactly very badly fails down, minus 33.32% they fails down. So this is not a small change occur, my friend. Very badly fails down, but if you can see here this time, my friends, the price is also decreased, my friend, in the last 1 hour. If you remember the price of last 1 hour, but this time you can see here they are completely fails down, my friend. They are completely fails down, my friend. You can see here I draw a two line. The first line is stretched into the highest point, and the second line is stretched into the lowest point, my friend. This time if you can see here they're moving like a rocket, my friends. You can see here zigzag, my friends. You can see here, okay, this time this is the moving style of all cryptocurrencies, my friend. So after this, my friend, you can see here they fails down. After a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. This is the style of moving, my friend, of Zilliqa. You can see here. So my friend, in upcoming days, if you can see here they fails down. So after a fails they take a jump. Absolutely everybody knows it. So after a fail they take a jump like this, and like this. Absolutely, my friend. So the good time is coming soon. Zilliqa in upcoming days going up. So kindly hold it and wait for the end of this month, my friend. The target is 0.5 US dollar, half US dollar, my friend. I hope they can hit it just at the end of this month. So Zilliqa holder, don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of this month. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos.